So all the developments going on in concrete, from decarbonization to new forming systems, new reinforcement, non-metallic reinforcement, 3D printing is probably the most exciting from the perspective of designers, architects, and engineers, because it really unleashes concrete from the rectilinear world. When we look at concrete, everything pretty much in modern concrete has been a wall, a floor, a beam, or column. And all those things are formed, fitted into wood frames, i.e. if you will, the evolution of the brick. 3D concrete now unleashes us from the confines of your formwork without all the setup time of fabricated custom formwork.
Okay, we hope to see you at the design and engineering classes. They are for you designers, engineers, civil engineers, structural engineers, contractors, city permitters. We want you to come and listen to this. We're here to show you how to go from sketch to shop based on what you already have in your office right now. It is possible to use this technology. It's possible to incorporate it into your projects. You do not need to really invest outside of what tools you already have in the office for design professionals. That's our real goal here at SCAPA.